Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to block adult websites on Chrome. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome, then click the three dot menu in the top right corner. From here, scroll down and select Settings. Now on the left side, so click Privacy and Security. Then select Security down here. Once you're here, so scroll down until you find Use Secure DNS. So under Use Secure DNS, so you have Select DNS Provider. So if Use Secure DNS is turned off, so you need to enable it. So this will allow you to choose a different DNS provider. So once Secure DNS is enabled, click the DNS provider below. So go to Select DNS Provider and click this arrow right here. Now, depending on your Chrome version, you may see several providers. So, if available, you can choose Clean Browsing Family Filter. So, this DNS service is designed to filter adult websites and other explicit content. Now, if Clean Browsing Family Filter isn't listed, you can use another family friendly DNS provider, such as OpenDNS, if available. So, select those two. Now, after selecting your preferred provider, you can close the Settings tab. So Chrome will automatically save the change, so there's no need to restart the browser. And that's basically it. So that's how you can block adult websites on Chrome. Thank you for watching.